on the earth. You are experiencing rebirth. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am St Germain. I am St Germain, anointing, announcing, stepping into the circle with you tonight. As you step into the circle, leave behind those stresses, those fears. Let them fall away. Let them fall at your feet like an old raiment, an old robe that you no longer need, slipping away, shaking it off, pooling around your feet, and recognizing that that energy of the old can be what supports you into transforming into the new. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am St Germain, drawing the breath around and in you. I am St Germain. You have been breathing in and out and observing. Continue to observe the flow. And as you observe the flow with the inner eye, imagine the inner universe that you are, the DNA spiraling and moving, the DNA moving through your system, your cells, and inside of your cells, the planetary configuration that your cells are, the atmosphere, the constellation, the space, the complete unlimited potential in your cells. Breathe in. Thousands of cells, breathing in, and let yourself wander through the cells as if you were wandering through a star-filled sky. Let yourself wander through the cells and recognize that you are infinite space. You are infinite. You are infinite within your being, without your being. Let the body begin to slip away. The physical body, the form that feels contraction, that feels the edges, that feels the bottom, the top, the skin, that feels the bones, the teeth, the hair. Let that fall away for the moment and be in your eternal, magnificent self. I am St Germain. You have heard much about the blueprint of the human form and the changes in that blueprint and the changes that you are a part of. You have heard this in the last 6-8 months or so. We have stressed this. All those extraterrestrial beings that have come through channels, that have come to you in your dream times, that have come in your imagination and your inner knowing, have spoken to you, have whispered to you about the changes in the human blueprint, the changing times that you live in, the old that falls away and the new paradigm that exists. I am St Germain, guardian of the violet flame. You are changing, indeed you are. You are changing, becoming whole. You are changing, becoming whole and eternal. Acknowledging that. And so tonight we talk not about the changing human DNA, but we talk about not about the changing human DNA, the changing human blueprint, but we speak about, we vibrate and move around you. We activate within you the divine blueprint. The divine blueprint shimmers into life within you, like seeds bursting and beginning to grow. The energy cannot be stopped. There's a certain impetus when the energy of growth comes, when springtime happens, when the sun around your earth in your solar system hits the earth, the nutrients of the earth, the death, the compost, energizes the seeds, and the seeds burst forth, springing into new life. Imagine, if you would, and you can imagine that, for you have cameras now that show you a seed unfurling and growing, a blossom opening and spreading, that show you these in suspended time so that you could see it. Imagine now how quickly that growth can come. That energy, that divine nature is activating inside you.